Hello everyone, today I have taken my family to the Warren Dunes State Park right here in Michigan. Behind me, this is the Lake Michigan. Look, it is so big, so vast, you cannot even see the other side of it. Behind me, behind that hill is Chicago. If we didn't have these trees, we would see Chicago over there. And maybe next time I need to bring my drone so we could fly up and we could see Chicago. So here are my kids, you see? So we're having a good time. But what fascinates me are these beautiful, huge dunes. Look at the sand dunes, just ginormous. Look at all of those people down there. They're just so small and tiny. So as I'm standing here, I'm reminded about the promise God made to Abraham that his ancestors will be as numerous as the grains of the sand on the seashore. So look, right here I just have a little bit of sand in my palm, and there are probably 1 million of those sand grains. Look, can you imagine how many children Abraham is gonna have? Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. There's billions and trillions and gazillions of those sand grains right here on this little sand dunes beach right here. Wow, can you imagine how many children Abraham is gonna have? How many saved people will be there? So today I want to encourage you to believe in Jesus and to strive to be among his children. So I wish you all the best. God bless you.